Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be creating a Google account or a YouTube account or a Gmail. It's actually the exact same thing for all of them, and it's that easy. So just go ahead and go into google.com. Now if you guys see this up here on the top right hand side, you're going to see sign in. Now if you guys are making a Gmail account or a YouTube account, it's going to be the exact same instructions. So just follow up with the video and you guys are going to see that whether you create a Gmail account or a Google account, you're going to have a YouTube account as well, because they all tie in together. So in this case, what I suggest doing is go right into Gmail. Once you go into Gmail, you're going to see this. Just put in create account. That's going to be on the bottom left hand side, create account. Once you click there, you're going to see these options. So you can go for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. It's really up to you. I'm just going to go for myself. And from here, just put in your name. I'm just going to go put tech. So just try to come up with a username. If your username is taking up, you can go ahead and choose one of the ones that it suggested to you. So for example, right here, it's telling me tech and design channel 9. It's not taking up, but I can try 2022 and see what happens. So that works. Now down here below, you can go ahead and put in a password that you will remember, or make your computer select one for you. Again, you should remember. So I'm going to put in show password. And again, you want a password that's kind of difficult. So I'm going to zoom in on mine so you guys can see. Again, it's not the best password. This can definitely be better, but as a password, it's good enough. So I'm just going to go into next. Now you have to verify your phone number. So you can go ahead and put it in. Now, if this doesn't make sense to you, just go and select whichever country you're from and then just verify. So in my case, it's 647. I'm going to put 491 7018. By the way, if you guys use my phone number, it's not gonna work. You have to use your own phone number. So going to next. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, and the verification code that I got by text is this right here. Your verification code will be different, so this will not work for you guys. Just press on verify on the bottom right hand side. Now you're gonna get into this page where you guys can put a recovery email. I highly suggest putting that, but if you don't have another email, don't worry about it. Just skip over, put your birthday, then go into the next step, gender. You can choose whatever you like. I will put male. And then if I keep going down, I can just go right into next on the bottom right hand side. Once you press next, you're going to see this. Now let me zoom out just a little bit. Now right here, you can add a phone number if you like, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So let's just press skip on the bottom left hand side. Now this part, just scroll down and you're going to see all the way down here, it says agree. Just press agree in the middle. And you will notice, although we're signing up for a Gmail account, we're making a Google account. So right here is everything. So I'm done. I can just put don't switch for now. So once again, right here, this is my Gmail. So if you go all the way back to Google, you're going to notice this on the top right hand corner of your screen. You're going to see the T, and you can see that you have a Google account already. So this is my Google account. That's my email, and I'm all set. Now, if I decide to go into YouTube, on the other hand, I can just tap on sign in on the top right hand corner, and it's going to sign me in right now. So I have a YouTube account as well. See that T? Again, I can click on it, it's gonna see my email, and I'm done. I just created 3 accounts all in one. So that's why I said when I started the video, no matter what you create, you're kind of creating everything all at once. So I have a YouTube account, I have right there a Google account plus a Gmail. So let's say I wanted to upload videos and all that stuff, I can go right into YouTube Studio. So once I click there, it's gonna take me here where I can go ahead and upload a picture up here. For my YouTube channel, I can pick a name that I want. It doesn't have to be your Gmail name, you can change it up. So what I'm gonna do is just add a space. My handle, this is very important, just choose a handle that makes sense to you guys. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you're gonna see create channel. Just press right there and you're gonna create your channel. Again, this is only if you guys want to. Just press on continue in the middle and you can start uploading all your stuff. Let me just zoom in a little bit. On the top right hand corner, I'm going to see that T again. Let me just close that up. And I'm going to see this arrow to upload videos. I can go live stream, or you can press create. It all takes you everywhere. So all these options do almost the same thing. So if I press on create, I can just go ahead, press upload videos, and I can start uploading videos to my own YouTube channel. Now, if you guys would like to customize more stuff about your YouTube channel, you can go ahead and do that. However, if you don't want to, you just have your channel right there. You just want to make maybe playlists, like videos and comment on videos, you can start doing that right now without doing any setup for your own YouTube channel. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.